Share the love, share the rewards. 500,000 USDT up for grabs with XcelPay. Refer and earn XcelPay diamonds. XcelPay wallet invites you to participate in its Refer and Earn program and share the love and rewards with your friends. The process is simple. Every time you refer a friend to download the XcelPay wallet using your referral code, you will receive 5 diamonds instantly. Additionally, your friend will also receive 10 diamonds upon downloading and logging into the XcelPay wallet. Here's the step-by-step process to refer and earn XcelPay diamonds. 1. Open XcelPay wallet and navigate to the market section. 2. Tap on Refer and Earn. 3. Once XcelPay Refer and Earn screen appears, you can either copy your referral code and share it with your friends, or directly share it by tapping the Share button in the My Referral Code section. With every successful referral, you will earn 5 diamonds. On the referral side, first you have to download the XcelPay wallet on your mobile. Then, open XcelPay wallet and tap on the I have a friend referral code. Enter referral code shared by your friend and tap on Submit. Congratulations! You have now earned 10 diamonds. Alternatively, new users can create a new wallet or import existing wallet first and put the code later from the Refer and Earn section in XcelPay wallet. Now, let me explain what you can do with the diamonds. You can redeem 5 USDT after you reach 200 diamonds through the Refer and Earn program. Or you can opt to redeem 15 USDT once you reach 500 diamonds. Also, these diamonds can be used later for buying various items in the XcelPay marketplace like NFTs, gift cards, domains, and various digital products. Join XcelPay Wallet's Refer and Earn program today.